Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I use Notion to organize my finances. If you've ever felt overwhelmed with bills, spending, budgeting, or simply keeping track of where your money goes, this system might be the game changer you need. I start with one main page that I call my Finance Hub. This is basically my command center. It's the first thing I open at the end of the day or whenever I want to check on my money. Inside it, I keep everything: my income, expenses, savings goals, subscriptions, and even my debt tracker. The heart of my setup is a transactions database. Every time money comes in or goes out, I log it here. I include the amount, the category, the date, and a little note if I need more details. It takes less than 5 seconds, especially because I use a template button that automatically creates a new entry with today's date already filled in. Logging expenses used to be such a chore, but now it's fast and easy enough that I actually do it consistently. I also created custom categories that match my life, like groceries, bills, transportation, kids, food delivery, personal spending, and savings. Once everything is categorized, I can instantly see patterns. Where am I spending too much? What months have more expenses? Which habits are draining my money without me noticing? Notion makes all of that incredibly clear. Now let's talk about budgeting. I have a section where I set my monthly budget for each category. Then I use roll-ups and formulas to compare my planned budget with my actual spending. This helps me stay on track, especially with things like eating out or shopping, which can add up quickly. When I see that I'm nearing my limit, I adjust my habits before it becomes a problem. I also keep a savings and goals section. This is where I track things like emergency savings, travel funds, or something I've been wanting to buy. Every time I set aside money, I update the tracker and watch the progress bar go up. It's satisfying and really motivating. It turns saving from something stressful into something I actually look forward to. Another thing that helps a lot is my bills and subscriptions table. I list all my recurring expenses, like Netflix, internet, electricity, or insurance, and I mark their due dates. I added reminders so I never miss a payment. Notion keeps everything organized so I don't need to guess which bill is coming next. Finally, I have a monthly review section. At the end of each month, I look at how much I earned, how much I spent, and what I can improve next month. Even a short 5-minute review makes a huge difference. It keeps me aware, accountable, and in control. Using Notion to organize my finances didn't just make things neater, it actually changed my relationship with money. I feel more confident, more disciplined, and more prepared for the future. And the best part is, you can customize this in any way you want.